Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today on our small block Chevy build, we're talking cylinder heads. Let's do it. So for this build, the customer has chose to run the Airflow Research 195s, a budget-friendly option that comes loaded. When ordered, these heads were set up for a hydraulic roller camshaft. With an installed height of 1.810, I measured 142 pounds of seat pressure, which is perfect for our roller lifters. These heads are as cast, so as you can see in our flow chart, from 500 to 600 of lift, the airflow does not change very much. This is very important when selecting a camshaft, as the more lift you apply to the valve, the more stress you apply to the valve train, with little to no added benefit. That puts our single pattern Howard's camshaft at 525 lift right in the money, utilizing our maximum flow potential of our cylinder head without applying more pressure on the valve train than necessary. Next up, I would like to talk about Quench. Quench is the distance between the cylinder head surface and the top of the piston. With the deck height on our block set at 17 thousandths after being milled, and our head gasket thickness of 27 thousandths compressed, that puts our Quench right at 44 thousandths. With my customer's goal of putting this engine in a street car and running it on 93 pump gas, a 10.05 to 1 compression ratio, and a quench clearance of 44 thousandths, it should be resistant to detonation and still have good response of a snappy engine. On this project, we're running 12-point ARP head bolts. We have to apply thread sealant to the threads of the bolts because they do go directly into water jackets, while applying the provided ARP lubricant to the washer as well as the head of the bolt. For the final step in today's video, we're going to torque our cylinder heads down, using the same 3-step torque method that we used on our main and our rod caps, with a final torque reaching 65 foot-pounds. Don't forget to use the proper sequence as shown above here. Well guys, our small block Chevy project is moving right along. In the next video, we're going to talk piston to valve clearance and valve train setup. Thank you guys so much for being here. Until next time, God bless, and remember, if Doug can do it, you can do it.